Hospitable Operations Hub. So if you're at your home screen and you jump into operations here on the left, this is your overview. This is where you can see your task calendar for your properties. Please help us grow our channel by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and dropping a comment below. We appreciate your support. You could also see your task rules, teammates, notification rules. Your task calendar again jumps back into there, and your log. So notification rules are things like new reservation, notify cleaning team, altered reservation, notify cleaning team, cancel, notify cleaning team, check-in reminder, check-in, things like that. So if you jump in one of these, this would be basically emailed to the cleaning person or team. Dear team, we have received the new reservation address check-in. Could you please let me know if you'd be available for cleaning? Reservation details listing. You could have iCloud attachment included on this. You could change this to laundry, maintenance, concierge, whatever you need set up. Task rules, this is a cleaning task. So cleaning tasks would be set when after guest checkout. Duration, however long it would take, that cleaning crew to do that task. And then you could also set up a checklist. So clean bath, clean bedroom, deep clean carpet, things like that. So super easy to set up. You could have a variety of cleaning tasks. It's very, very straightforward. Here's how you add new teammates: company, first name, last name, email, phone, address, the roles. So are they cleaning, concierge, laundry, maintenance, things like that. What properties do you want to have it set for? And then notification rules. Again, this is where all this is. So you could set this up where check-in reminder. This could go for concierge if you have someone who has to go help, the property with check-ins. So there's a lot you could do with the system depending on what kind of property you have and what your setup is.